Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Lewis Harding Investor and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be going through my investment portfolio update as at November 2021. Let's get straight into it. As always with these updates, let's go through my portfolio details and target allocation. So basically this portfolio, it basically makes up my stocks, my venture capital, which is my equity crowdfunding, and then it also makes up my Bitcoin and small holdings in gold as well. So it's all my investments together outside of property. So essentially I started this portfolio, started recording it from May 2020. It's when I redefined my strategy, what I wanted to do exactly. It was after the pandemic I really realised I need to sit down and focus what is my strategy. Over the past year I have tweaked a few things, but I'm very happy with where I'm at now. And if you've seen previous updates, you'll have seen this target allocation bit changed quite a bit, but now I'm very set and solid with what I'm wanting to do. I want to own a lot of stocks, a few ETFs in certain sectors, such as the small cap and then the emerging market sector. But I'm also very happy with my venture capital equity crowdfunding investment so far, namely Freetrade. But yeah, anyway, so the benchmark is the FTSE All World Index, which is one of the main world indexes which covers 95% of the global investable market cap. So it's basically all of the world stock market par 5%, which is fantastic. And yeah, my current value is £13,157. Now let's have a look at my portfolio performance, and let's go to the basic breakdown first. So yeah, as you can see, the ones in the green are my individual stocks, my world small cap index, my venture capital, which is my equity crowdfunding, and then also Bitcoin is up massively as well. So yeah, then what's in the negative, my emerging markets, and then gold. So yeah, that's a brief overview, but then let's go to the detailed breakdown now. And yes, so this gives a bit more of a detail than the individual picks. You'll have seen that I've sold a few companies in the past few months. Like I said, I've really redefined my strategy and I want to run the best of the best businesses. And after re-evaluating my positions, I wasn't quite doing that. And going through my quality score process, all of my companies are scoring high. So going forward, it will be a strict criteria for a company to get into a portfolio. No cutting corners, no bad companies. The highest quality will only do. But yeah, what's new? Literally nothing's new really. Last month I think I added Plum, equity crowdfunding. I'm happy to hold that over the long term to see what they do with their product. I think their valuation post money was 100 million. So yeah, that could potentially be a unicorn in the future, which would be a 10x return. With dilution it wouldn't be, but hey ho, still a good return anyhow. But yeah, Freetrade and Bitcoin are the standouts. Meta, which was Facebook as well. Berkshire Hathaway has been solid since the start of the pandemic. So yeah, not too bad on that front really. So yeah, I don't have much to say really on this month. As you can probably tell, not much has really changed. I haven't added anything. I've sold a few positions, and basically what I'm doing now with my individual stocks is that will cover 30% of my portfolio. 5% will be in Berkshire Hathaway, and then the other 25 companies will make up 1%. So that's the initial aim anyway. And I'm currently adding companies. I've added Intel recently, which I will be doing a video on soon. I've also recently added another company, a US stock, which I am excited to tell you about, which I'll do in next month's update in a couple of weeks. And I will have a stock analysis video on it as well. It's been hammered over the past 6 months or so. Probably more like 4 or 5 months. It's down like 30% from its all-time highs. And it's now at a range I was happy to buy at. So a fantastic company, but you'll have to wait and see for that one. But then yeah, in terms of everything else, something I've been thinking is, it's quite ironic really. As someone who's like a stock market investor, value investor for the long term, most of my investment gains have come from Bitcoin and my investment in Freetrade. So yeah, one to laugh at, isn't it? But over the long term, I'm expecting my stocks to do well. I want a minimum of a 10% return. And then my venture capital investments, it's impossible to say what you will get as a return, but if you do pick the right businesses, it's very, very lucrative. And I do feel like, well, certainly Freetrade has gone well. And talking about Freetrade, they are crowdfunding tomorrow as I record this video, so that share price figure will change, and that, you know, growth figure will be a lot more than it was there. Who knows what it'll be? You'll see next month's update, and I'll probably have a very happy face. But yeah, not much to say apart from that. As always, stay tuned for more of my portfolio updates. I'm also using an app called GetQuinn, where I record my investments in live time. It's a good place to chat about your investments as well, and I do make comments on stocks I think are overvalued and undervalued. I have a bit of banter on there as well, so check that out. The link is down below. Yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. As always, it would be amazing if you could like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. However, you can check out some of these videos.